Hi guys, welcome to Maneuver. Today we'll talk about the Maharashtra Law City 3 years 2021 preparation. But before that, happy Friendship Day guys and best wishes for your CD preparation. So guys, this is the day जहाँ पे हम साल में एक बार अपने फ्रेंड से कनेक्ट होते हैं. Rest of the year we keep on working. We have a busy schedule, but friendship वाले day बात करना तो पक्का है. So you should also get connected with your friend and your parents also. So in this friendship day, I want you people to make your friend to the Law CT 3 years exam. So start loving this exam guys, make it your boyfriend or girlfriend, whatever you want. But यार अगर CT से प्यार किया तो अपना स्कोर बढ़िया आएगा एंड अपने को कॉलेज भी अच्छा वाला मिलेगा और करियर में चाहिए ही क्या. और अगर स्कोर अच्छा नहीं आया और कॉलेज अच्छा नहीं मिला तो गर्लफ्रेंड भी छोड़ के चली जाएगी. ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, दिस यूज्ड टू हैपन. सो इन दिस वीडियो आई विल टॉक अबाउट द सुट्टा स्ट्रैटेजी. सो गाइस डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट सुट्टा मीनिंग इज व्हाट रिलेटेड टू स्मोकिंग और समथिंग लाइक दैट. सुट्टा स्ट्रैटेजी विल हेल्प ऑल द एस्पिरेंट टू बिल्ड अप देयर रोड मैप. So let's understand in detail about the Sutta strategy. So first comes S, which is nothing but the surveillance. Surveillance I mean to here, before you start your preparation, you should have a detailed information about the exam. You should know what is the paper pattern and the marking system, what should be the cutoff, and very important, competition level. And in that competition, what is your chance to get into the top colleges for your law program like GLC Mumbai or the ILS Pune and the other law colleges. So do have a surveillance about the exam. Many of the aspirants start their preparation but they don't know what to study, what are the detailed topic for the exam, what are the GK topic they're supposed to go through. So all these problems you should not come across. So that's why you should have a detailed information about the exam. After then come U, which is nothing but the uniformity. Check your target consistency which you can devote for the preparation, whether you are working or not working, you are college going student, doesn't matter. So you should have a proper daily routine in terms of the preparation, and your preparation has to be very consistent because uniformity will help you to achieve your target guys. So if you feel that your English is not good, your GK is not good, start working upon it. Make your time slot for each section and accordingly you should follow the routine. After then comes T, temperature check. Temperature check I don't mean to say anything related to the medical or the health. Temperature check I mean to say किस बुक से अपने को प्रिपेयर करना है, whether that book is relevant to the exam or not, because many aspirants start with the wrong book because in the market there are the many books and because of that they flunk to score good marks. So if you don't have a book, you can order the Maneuver book and you will get by courier at your home. Second come the coaching part, whether you are preparing by yourself or you have joined any coaching classes. So if you have joined any coaching classes, do check the quality of teaching, who are the faculty and the result as well. So that's why we keep on taking the interview of all the aspirants, those who have cleared the exam and got the top law colleges for their law program. And next comes your mentorship and the guidance. Who is your mentor from whom you are taking the guidance? This play very important role in terms of the preparation. And finally, nothing but the test series. So all these are the nothing but the temperature check you have to do guys for all the study material, coaching and the mentorship. So once you have done the surveillance, uniformity, temperature check, after then comes the triggering part, which is nothing but the starting your preparation. So as I said earlier, do make your timetable or the daily routine and accordingly work upon it, because many people make their timetable, make their routine, but they don't follow it. They follow for some days, after then it not work. So that's why in Maneuver live classes we give the complete timetable, like what are the pre-work you have to do before the lecture and what are the post-work which you have to do after the lecture, and about the doubt session, test series and everything we guide you. If you are not triggering your preparation in the right way, then you won't get your target guys. And last, which is nothing but the A, achievable attitude. In my each and every section I always keep on saying we have to go to the GLC or we have to target to the 120 plus marks. So do keep the achievable attitude, then trust me guys, you can achieve anything in the life. If you are making a target that this year you will top in CT or you will end up with the GLC Mumbai Law College, then it is 100% possible that you can achieve it, provided whether you should have this kind of attitude or not. So this is all about the Sutta strategy for all the Law CT 3 years aspirant, those who are preparing for the CT 2021 and targeting for the top law colleges for their law program. So I hope you have got some boost up from this video, and as today is the friendship day, so this year we have to make your friend to the law CT exam and think about the Sutta, surveillance, uniformity, temperature check, triggering your preparation, and finally achievable attitude. Okay, next is about the online program. So if you want to start your preparation, you can join online live preparation batch where you can connect live with us and you can study from home itself. Also you can join other courses like full course, sectional, mock series, and very important, book. So if you don't have a book, do order the book. Within working 7 days, it will get courier to your home. So for live classes, kindly contact on 8828581455, and for online program, kindly visit maneuveru.com/law entrance. All the very best for the preparation, guys. Thank you.